So if you don't know about us, Vermont Chalky Paint is a non-toxic decorative paint. It's mine, manufactured, made right here in Vermont. Even our boxes come from our friends at Lakeside Container. They're right across the lake. And our paint is housed in these half-pint and quart jugs. And what we do is we repurpose these jugs into these decorative tea light lamps. And 50% of the proceeds help the cancer patient support groups in the communities that we serve. And the trickiest part to this is you want to make sure that you get all the layers off the napkin. And what's nice about this is that you can decoupage with your kids, you can decoupage anytime. It's a pretty simple process. And this is one of the sides that I did. Isn't that pretty? And this is the opposite side. So that's what we're going for. There's some stuff I still need to trim here. I'm gonna do a few more coats and then I'm gonna trim the excess off. I'll probably do it with, light sanding or cut it with scissors or something like that. So I've already done my base coat on here. I'm gonna take my clear coat. Now this clear coat is one of my favorite products that we have. The clear coat, not only is it a substitute for polyurethane, what I like about the finish of it is it's like a smooth finish so that you can scrub it easily in a kitchen. That was one of the concerns that Teresa had with her kitchen when we did it was, am I gonna be able to clean my cabinets or is it gonna? And this clear coat really does the trick. I'm really pleased with it. So not only is it used traditionally for a substitute for polyurethane for your cabinets, for baths, for vanities, for kitchens, but you can also use it for what we're doing right now, which is decoupage, and you can also do image transfer. If you like our Facebook page here on Vermont Chalky Paint, there are some videos out there to show you how to use it for that purpose. So I'm going to coat this. And you don't want to go too crazy with it. Make sure that it's smooth when you're putting this down. You don't need to saturate it, but really get up, especially the trouble spots are the edges. Are what I find really need the attention. And again, a little goes a long way with Vermont Chalky Paint and all of our products. And something about our paint that's kind of cool is it's made with polyway technology, which is a byproduct of cheese. Isn't that cool? So everything is totally non-toxic. It's made also with calcium carbonate, which is mined in Middlebury. And Jerry will remember the road trip we took to Middlebury to the to the calcium carbonate. I went over there. I said, "Hey, Jerry, let's go for a road trip to a mine." He's like, "Wow, okay, your fun one's there, huh? The fun one." So we went over to the mines in Middlebury, and I asked the fella. I said, "Do you guys have calcium carbonate here?" And he looks behind him, there's literally mountains of it behind him. And he goes, "Yeah, we can probably get you a bucket or two." So that's how Vermont Chalky Paint began. So you can see I've laid it down, okay? It's not super smooth, but I just pull it like you would a sheet on a bed gently, okay? And kind of put it into place. And then what I'm doing, this is how you prevent the tearing. I just took a piece of saran wrap and I'm going to put it over the top of this napkin. And I have found that this has reduced tearing dramatically on my pieces. So this is a really nice, quick and easy way, and I just smooth it. Let me try to point to the camera so you can see better. So I smooth it like that.